We partnered up with the Welborn Baptist Foundation, and they have some grant monies that are contributing to help fund this program. So we've got some co-sponsorship, some in-kind donations from the hospitals. So both St. Mary's and Deaconess hospitals are helping to fund the money to provide the produce that we are ordering through Piazza Produce at USI. And we are going out to 3 different areas within the community that are considered to be low income, inner city, or food deserts in our local area.
Through our community transformation grant, we talked about starting this mobile market. They're really starting up all over the country, and we went to Indianapolis and kind of tried to model one called Garden on the Go. So we met with Dr. McCullough and Beth and discussed using the food and nutrition students to help us with this project, and so they agreed to it, and it's been a great partnership because we're exposing the food and nutrition students to this experience in the community.
You know, we're really proactive and we are big advocates for living healthy lives, and having that available to them and accessible is really rewarding and exciting.
They came to me and said, can we make a project go with your students? And I said, well, let me talk to administration. So I talked to our dean, Ann White, and she agreed that it sounded like a great idea and that she would feel that the university would be on board with this. So some of the services that we've been providing at the university is the transportation of the fruits and vegetables from our delivery site at USI out to our 3 sites out here. So we spend the day traveling from site to site, and the students get to join us on this adventure.
So this is truly a community collaborative effort. We were really excited that the University of Southern Indiana was willing to partner with us to really get the implementation process going. And then we have partnered with the 2 hospitals. Both St. Mary's and Deaconess have supported us through paying for the upfront cost for the produce, since it was not an allowable expense in the grant. So it's really been a collaboration. And of course, all of the different sites that we're holding these markets at were really great and really helpful in making this happen.
Students are doing nutrition education every time we're out here. They have developed their own lesson plans, what they want to talk about, and their own recipes. One of our classes did the recipes. They chose the right recipe that they wanted to do, and they are doing some cooking demonstrations and letting everybody to try them, and it's so far going so very well.
It's been great. They love having the produce brought right to them. Several locations are enjoying having a lower cost item, fresh produce, that they're not having to travel out because they may not have the means to get to local stores to get that produce as often. So it's been overwhelmingly positive.
Finding the community's needs and then bringing that to them, that's obviously what we're about and what we're excited to do.